Hello friends, welcome to Subveggie. Today we are going to learn Gongura Pachhadi, that is Andhra special. Variations: red stem gongura and green stem gongura. And red stem gongura is more sour in taste and very popular for making pickles. And stacking this kind of pickles is really very handy for your busy days and no mood days. And the best thing is it's very easy to prepare this chutney, and it takes very less times and stays good easily for months. And now we'll see how to prepare this. Ingredients required are: we need gongura leaves, one big bunch around 3 to 4 cups, and garlic pads 6 to 8 numbers, and mustard half tablespoon, and gingerly oil 1 by 4 cup, and salt to taste. You can use any oil if gingerly oil is not in handy. And to roast and powder, split black gram, that is urad dal 1.5 tablespoon, coriander seeds, dhania 1.5 tablespoon, optional this is, and cumin seeds, jeera 1 by 4 tablespoon, fenugreek seeds, methi half tablespoon, and mustard seeds half tablespoon, and red chilies 10 to 15. Coriander seeds, that is optional, I have not used, and cumin seeds, mustard, fenugreek seeds, and then red chilies. Frying them little more time, as I don't want to fry again after grinding the paste. Mix it with a spoon in between, and then add onion pieces. The Gongura Pachhadi is very much ready now. Gongura chutney, whichever name you associate with, one thing is sure: hot rice, fresh ghee, and a tablespoon of this pickle. Aha, yum, heaven. There was a time when um, Andhra hotels are very famous for this pachadi, and do try for yourself, and I'm sure you will enjoy this. So try it and prepare and have a nice meal. I hope you like my video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.